we are looking at frequency distribution. It's a part of data handling. So it is actually a method to represent a data, or we can say raw data, in the form from which one can easily understand information contained in it. For example, following data. So for example, we'll understand this using example. For example, following data, raw data of number of children in 20 families. So we'll just write down the raw data. 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 1 4 5 2 4 2 2 1 3 3 2 5. So this is raw data of number of children in 20 families. Like first family has one children, second family has one children, two families third family has two children, last 20th family has five children. So I just told you, but looking at this, does that make any sense to us? So for that to make sense or to have some operations over that data, we need to categorize that, and here we can use frequency table. We can group data as number of children into first column and their frequency in families will be the next columns, and for that we can use tally bars. Like if a family has 5 children, we can represent that into tally bars like 1 2 3 4 5. Or if a family has 2 children, we can represent that by that 2 tally bars. So now how will be the table format will look? So first will be the number of children, second will be the tally bars, and last will be the frequency of occurrences or frequency of children's in each family. So by looking at this data, as you can see, there is 1 2 3 4 and 5, max up to 5 children that are there, but families are 20. So how we will represent this data? Using frequency table, and for this frequency table we are going to use tally marks or tally bars. So we'll first write down number of children. There will be 1 2 3 4 5, that's it. Each family can have that much, means a family can have 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 5. Now we'll count that into our data. Let's say number of children 1. So how many families have the number of children 1? Let's do this by different color. So this is first one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. So 5 families have number of children as 1. So we'll write down here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what's the frequency? 5. Frequency is 5. Now number of children 2. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 families have 2 children. So we'll write down into tally bars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for 5, 1, 2, 3, sorry, the tally bars is written in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is correct way. And how many times or how many families have two number of children? 6 families. Now number of children 3. So we'll write 1, 2, 3 and 4 families have 3 children. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and frequency is 4 families. Now number of children 4. Number of children 4 will be 1, 2, 3 families have 4 children. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and frequency is 3. 5. Now number of children 5. So 1 and 2 families have 5 children. So 1 and 2 families have 5 children. So this is how we used frequency table to present raw data, and in this case number of data is related to number of families and number of children in each family. So this is the way we use the frequency of number of children in the families. To represent the data, we use the frequency part of that data into the form of frequency table.